The biggest challenge in delivering lighting to a large lighting estate is ensuring that the users get what they need. So delivering a lighting solution that meets all the different and various requirements, delivering something that is good for everyone.
The biggest challenge for lighting large estates is to achieve ultimately energy efficiency over the whole estate using a degree of sensors, micro-sensors, presence detection, control.
I think the biggest challenge we have in lighting large estates is the age of the estate and also the complexity, the quantity of fittings, the return on investment that's needed, or the expectation of that return on investment.
It's got to be a case of looking in more detail at the companies you're proposing to specify. Perhaps start asking them to take you to see a project that's 10 years old, 5 years old, and talk to the facilities managers at an older scheme and see what they think of the lights rather than looking at just their last project and how good that was.
The biggest challenge is timescale. At Heathrow Terminal 2, it carries on as a project for so long, through so many different processes and developments. Number of architects change, design managers change, personnel change all the way through. Also technology changes.
Maintenance is a huge challenge simply because it is so expensive. The beauty of actually introducing almost maintenance-free lighting in there, it does have its enormous amount of payback for, built into it.
Technology can make my job easier, hopefully by enabling us to cut carbon, cut the energy consumption, but also giving us feedback on how we're doing, which areas we need to focus on.
We're not really using a lot of these iPad control systems. We've looked at them, but we don't find them really what we look at. We look for quite simple solutions in our buildings that are easy to maintain and operate.
We need to have easy controls in terms of making modifications. In the past, that would be undertaken more with software and laptops, etc. But now in this day and age where everybody has mobile phones, you're able to just pull out a mobile phone and then just use sliders to make changes.
We can very easily develop very complicated technology, but the usability side of it is key, so that people actually want to use it and not override it is absolutely vital.
The IT world and the engineering world have sort of come together and emerged into one entity, and IT are very slow to wake up to that. And until the security of IT is broken down to allow the likes of this new IT technology in the lighting world to be integrated into the infrastructure of the IT world, we're always in a fighting battle between us and IT, and that is our problem.
Again, the lights are probably the largest spread of sensors throughout a building. If we can be communicating both to and from the spaces that they're looking after, finding out what's going on in there, this is a box we're only just opening.
It's really about understanding the end users and being sympathetic to what they need rather than trying to tell them what we can give them.
The one thing I'm looking for in a lighting supplier is support.
Reliability.
Trust.
Flexibility and a little bit of vision as well.
And a name we can trust.
I want them to buy into what we're trying to achieve. I don't want them to just make money out of me. I want them to come to me with solutions for problems that I might not even have thought of yet.